Hello everyone, I'm Clarence Patawaran from BSIT 4B, and for today's activity, we're going to install Windows Server in VMware Workstation. First, go to Google and search Windows Server 2016 ISO download. After that, you can now choose the first one, which is English United States ISO download 64-bit edition. Click the 64-bit edition and it will start downloading the file. And now, let's start the process to install the Windows Server 2016 by clicking Create Virtual Machine. It will show the wizard. There are two choices here, the typical and custom. Here, I chose typical for easy steps installation. For this one, I chose the latter part of the choices to avoid errors in my case. After that, it will show the guest operating system. Choose Microsoft Windows and the version of the server you've downloaded, then click Next. You can name your virtual machine whatever you like and your preferred location to save the virtual machine. For this one, I choose Store Virtual Disk as a single file and leave the maximum disk size at 60 GB as recommended, then click Next. It will show the settings of the virtual machine. Before creating, you can customize the hardware like what I did here in the video. I set the memory to 2 GB and close. Click Finish to create the virtual machine you created. After that, I click the Edit Virtual Machine Settings because I forgot to change the CD/DVD SATA to use ISO image file that I've downloaded earlier at the beginning of the video, which is the Windows Server 2016. And go to Options and click the Advanced, then change the firmware type as BIOS and click OK. We can now power on the virtual machine and wait for a moment to load. Now, you can see the Windows Server 2016 set up. I leave it as is and click Next. Click Install now and wait for a moment. After that, you can select the operating system you want to install and click Next. Click the Accept License Terms to proceed. For this one, I choose the second one, which is Custom, and click New to modify the size MB and click Apply. I chose the second one and click Next. It will now start the installation process of Windows. I will speed up the installation process to save time. After finishing the installation, it will show the customized settings, and you can now create your own password. Click Finish and wait for a moment to load. You can now log in after successfully set up and installing the Windows Server 2016. And there you go, we successfully installed the Windows Server 2016. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.